Hey there, day after the storm, let's do a very quick SnowJoe demonstration. Very easy. The most important thing about these SnowJoes is don't let the battery, here's the battery, don't let it fully run out. Okay, you'll ruin it. So all you gotta do, press the button, pull the trigger, and this is one-handed so it's gonna look kind of funny, but see, this deck was already done once, so it's not the full amount of snow that we got. I think we got, what, 11 inches total with a little bit of sleet on the top. So this is maybe 6, maybe it's 6, 5, 6, I don't know. But anyway, it's easy. Be safe.